The G35 Coupe and the G35 Sedan would make an excellent first car. They're quick, they're reliable, they have lots of space, they're very comfortable. The only downside is the car doesn't get the best mileage. Commuting to work using premium, I saw best miles per gallon of 20 combined, and most of that was on the highway. Infiniti's G35 Sedan was Japan's fight against the Germans with their BMW E46 3 Series. At the time, the E46 3 Series had about 230 horsepower. The G35 came along and had 260 horsepower, which was a huge gain. So this car is quite the performer. It's very fast. It feels tight. In 2003, the Infiniti G35 won Motor Trend's Car of the Year. One could think of the G35 Sedan as a Nissan 350Z with 4 doors. It really is that capable. It has the Nissan 350Z's engine, the 3.5 liter DQ V6. My family has owned this G35 since 2005. We bought the car with 23,000 miles, and currently the car has 150,000 miles on it. This car is optioned with the Aero package, which includes the rear wing and smooth underbody panels, glass sunroof. The sport suspension package features stiffer springs and shocks. It has xenon headlamps. This Infiniti has been incredibly reliable. The only thing we fixed was a broken CD player. 17-inch aluminum wheels. These ones are chromed, and it also includes summer tires.
You can either fight the wind, or you can make it your friend. Zero lift aerodynamics, 0.26 drag coefficient. The new G35 from Infiniti.
The Infiniti G35 was produced from 2003 to 2006. It was available with a 5-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual transmission. The G35 is available in a wide array of colors. My favorite colors for the G35 are Garnet Fire, Emerald Mist, and the classic Caribbean Blue. The G35 drives great, has good handling, awesome power, and it feels glued to the road, very tight. The early years of this car, you don't need premium to run the vehicle. This is a 2003. Premium was optional. Using premium in the G35 Sedan, it does feel a lot more powerful. You get better fuel economy on premium as well. But if you're in a pinch, you can use regular and the car will run just fine. The later version of the G35 with the 300 horsepower engine requires premium, so that may be a selling point for some people. You can find G35s with 50 to 60,000 miles for around 10 grand on Auto Trader right now. I'll do a tour of the inside of the interior. This car features the titanium trim and the black interior, and in my opinion, black is the interior color that you want. It's elegant, it's classy, it's timeless, and the tan interior just does not look very good at all. So this is the interior of the G35. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control buttons on the right hand side, and then you have volume and stereo controls on the left. This car has the 5-speed automatic with manual shifting. Features 2 cup holders here. Nice padded center console. Car features backlit orange gauges. In the center stack you have climate control readings. Works out very nice because it's right up against the road. You can really easily see it well. Rear seats feature lots of room. Reclining rear seat backs are very cool. Features power moonroof with one touch, open and close. Love this power moonroof, works great. There's the controls. Has a nice sunglass area. The car features dual glove boxes. The top glove box has just enough space for the manual. The Infiniti G35 features all auto up and down windows for the front and rear passengers. Just one touch. There's the side curtain airbags. Has a nice map light back there for the rear passengers. There's some strange things like this card holder here. Very well appointed. You'll note this car does not have the heated seats. This is the back seat of the G35. And to use the reclining seat feature, pull on this lever here and the seat moves forward and back. So now I will demonstrate the reclining seat feature. Just pull the lever up and push back and I put it into place. I have a couple inches here with my knees. I'm 6'3". Awesome amount of room. I believe the rear seat space back here is comparable to a BMW 5 Series of the day. I know the wheelbase of this car is longer than a traditional E46 3 Series, and it shows. I mean, there's acres of legroom back here. It is just awesome. It's an amazing place to be. I love this car. It's really great. You can really eat up the miles in this car. I mean, it really does make the rear of this car feel extra luxurious. From back here, the car just feels absolutely giant, which is crazy because the car shrinks around you when you drive it. There is some amenities back here in the G35. You have air conditioning vents. They tilt the amount of flow here. It works well. It's not much, but it's just enough. And then, being that this is 2003, there's an ashtray which is useless. The rear of the G35 features this fold-out armrest, which is really nice. Black leather. Features these fold-out cup holders. They work well. There's also a lockable ski pass-through to the trunk. Because this car has the reclining rear seats, the seats do not fold down. The styling of the G35 is held up incredibly well, and I just love the crisp lines. I think it looks better than the G37 that came after it. Thanks for watching my review of the 2003 Infiniti G35 Sedan. If you liked this review, you may also like my other Infiniti G35 videos. Subscribe to my channel StickShiftStudios for more automotive reviews. Have a great day.